Hello, this is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else, and welcome to our Make It in Minutes Monday. We're super excited to be here today. It's a beautiful day here in Minnesota, and I hope it is where you are. We are going to be working with the new stamp set called Celebrate Sunflowers. It is coming out in the brand new 2020-21 and annual catalog, and there's so many different things you can do with this. You do not have to use the traditional colors. You can vamp it up and use any color you want. So to get started, I am going to keep it very brief. We are going to be using this small die right here. You can purchase this as a bundle. If you purchase these together, you get 10% off. So what I did is I went ahead and stamped in the Memento ink and then die cut this off because we're going to need one of those. All right, so I'm going to set that up there. The stamp sets that we're using today is Thanks a Bunch, which is right here. And then of course our little sunflower over here we're going to use with the Memento ink. All right, so I'm going to shoot this off to the side. We're going to have measurements posted as well on our blog, but you're going to need your standard base. This is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. You're going to need another piece that measures 5 1/8 by 3 7/8, and this is in Bumblebee, one of our new in colors. Then you're going to need 2 pieces of Whisper White. One measures 5 1/4 by 4 inch, and the other one is 5 inch by 3 3/4, and then of course a small piece to die cut out your sunflower. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the smallest piece of the Whisper White and we're going to do some stamping on that. All right, so to get things started, we're going to use our Memento ink and we're going to just stamp a couple of our little sunflowers on there. Now we're going to let that dry a little bit. We're going to take our soft suede ink and we're going to go ahead and stamp our sentiment on this right away because I want the ink on here to dry a little bit. So that is it for doing our stamping. Now the part that takes the longest is the coloring. So the markers that I'm using today are our Stampin' Blends. They are alcohol based. This one right here is the dark shaded spruce. We're going to be using the light and dark of the Daffodil Delight and then the light and dark of the soft suede. Now on here I am just adding just a couple little dots around here, and then I'm going to go through again and use our lighter soft suede to blend it in a little bit. I just wanted to add a little bit of depth, more so than just coloring on here. And there's dots on here as well from the image. Take our wide tip and go through again and just kind of go over it and blend it in a little. Okay, perfect. So now we can start assembling our card. Super simple, quick and easy card. Like I said at the beginning, the part that takes the longest is the coloring. And once you get that down, you could probably pound out quite a few of these cards in one setting. All right, so now for this, we are going to put some dimensionals on the back of this. And when we put this on, I'm going to have it hang over the edge just a little bit of the white piece that we're adhering it to. So we're going to layer it on top of here, but I'm going to layer it so that the tail or the leaves kind of hang off that piece. But you don't want it to go back or go past the base of the card. So we're just going to layer that there. And then last but not least, we're going to use a little bit of Wink of Stella and just kind of give it a little bit of sparkle. Like I said, quick and easy card. You can color those in with the Wink of Stella beforehand, but that's all right. Okay, so here's the card that I did earlier, and here's the card that we did together. So we hope that you really like this video, and if you could please give it a thumbs up, we'd appreciate it, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. And then make sure you go over to our blog, which will feature more projects as well. The measurements and everything, and the link should be below the video. So if you have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you so much for joining us. Bye-bye.